ladies and gentlemen and children of all ages. Welcome back to my channel. This is Jimmy Richardson with another little talk radio, video, whatever you want to call it. As you can tell, I'm an amateur. Folks, I want to welcome you back. I appreciate you clicking on my video. I do indeed appreciate you clicking on my video. I am rolling strong this morning, trying to get it done, trying to make the best of my day. I hope this video finds you in good standings. I hope your day is going well and everything is going your way. Folks, as I ride along here, I think to myself, where are we headed in life? I'm gonna tell you, folks. I'm gonna tell you. It's a time. Going through a work construction here, little detours. Vehicle passing me in the work zone. Want to slow down, make sure what's going on in the work zone. Don't need to be flying through a work zone like that pickup truck passing me on a solid yellow line in a work zone. Anyway, folks, just rolling along here. That's my thoughts for today. You never know what you might encounter rolling along. Anyway, folks, I do hope everybody's doing well. Do be safe. Don't drive like that red truck just did coming around me in a work zone on a solid yellow line. Oh, my goodness. Anyway, folks, I'm feeling good this morning. I'm feeling charged, ready to get her done. Ready to rock and roll, turn the wheels. Because if the wheels ain't turning, I ain't earning, you know that. Get some profit done, get some jobs done. And our truck passed me the solid yellow line in the work zone. Let's see if it's gonna stop for the school bus up there. Nah, the school bus doesn't turn the lights off. Oh well, I'm turned in front of the school bus. They were in a hurry to pass me in a work zone on a solid yellow line, and they just made a left right there into Gospel City. Oh, they got to pick up a passenger. Oh my goodness, people in a hurry. Anyway, folks, we're rolling strong. This is the kind of things I encounter all throughout the day, everywhere I go. I'm on the highways and byways all day long. I see plenty of fender benders. I see plenty of reckless driving and speeding. This breaker down here is drops to 45 right here. People, if you got to be out, do be safe. Be courteous. Be nice. Help somebody if you can. Keep that positive mindset. If you can't find a smile, share a smile. You'll end your day. At the end of the day, you'll be a lot more happier, a lot more relaxed, and a lot less stressed. People are stressed out because they're constantly bickering about things that they don't need to be even worried about. Folks, I know you wonder, what am I talking about? What's this dude all about? This is just a grain of salt or a grain of sand in my hourglass. This is just a day of my life that I share with the world on YouTube. Nothing special about me. I don't teach anything. I just want to share the start of my day with people that subscribe to my channel, you know, you get notified each and every time I pop on here and I say good morning, or talk about how I'm feeling that morning. I'm feeling good, you know. Just like to share that thought. How to start your day off. Positive attitude. Get her done. We're gonna tackle any kind of obstacles that come our way. Gonna try to stay on top of everything that tries to run us astray. We're gonna stay focused and we're gonna keep pushing forward. And that's my goal. That's my goals for today. Just try to make the best of every day and try to be productive. Don't beat the clock. Don't push the pencil. Don't cheat. Steal. Be honest and respectful. If someone offends you, ignore them. Instead of causing stress on your life and drama about it, just block that person out of your mind or out of your life. Stay focused, my friend. Think happy thoughts. I know it's hard to do sometimes, but most negatives have a positive if you flip them around. So if somebody comes at you with negativity, you discourage them with positive replies, positive outbursts. Somebody criticizes you, just smile and say thank you for your thoughts. So, it don't matter if you want to get stressed out and angry and mad. It's just going to stress you out. It's just going to make your life rougher. It's going to make things aggravating for you. Just shake it off. Thank you for your thoughts. I think I'm gonna whip in here and grab me a biscuit. What you think? I think that's a super duper idea. Let's drop in here and get a biscuit. Sounds like a super duper idea. Don't think I'll fit in the parking lot over there, so I'm gonna wheel around and I'm gonna park in this parking lot over here. Grab me a biscuit. That's the way it is, my friends. I don't take a lunch break. I think I can run in there real quick, be in there 5 minutes, grab me a biscuit, be right back out. Y'all have a wonderful day. I'll catch y'all next